Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's bilallkhalidd. Guys, right now in front of you HP Smart Tank 516 printer, and today I'm going to teach you how to enable wireless direct in this printer and how can you print the documents from your smartphone or any other smart device. So first of all, we have to enable wireless direct. What is mean by wireless direct? Wireless direct mean you can connect directly your smartphone with this printer rather than you connect this printer through your router. Okay, so we have to enable wireless direct first. There is a sign of wireless direct, it should be appear here. So just we have to enable now, then it will appear the wireless sign over here, and then you will later on find the network name here with this of this printer. To enable Wi-Fi direct, we have to press these two buttons together, wireless button and paper button together. Okay, for 3 seconds it will enable wireless direct and you will see one sign will appear over here. Okay, so these two buttons I will press together and you will see on the screen, and there is one sign appeared. This sign means that wireless direct is enabled successfully. So if I will search the networks, it will appear network of this printer here, but this will be password protected. We have to print the password to make sure that what is the password. So you can see this is a network direct 2D HP Smart 510. This is the password protected, so we have to press the I button to display the password. Okay, we will press the I button and it will print for us the page with the instructions of wireless direct. So just hold on, let it print, then we will connect our mobile phone with this wireless direct connection. Okay, as you can see, this printed for us, and this is the wireless direct password 19594740. So I will connect my smartphone with this password. Okay, here we go. I entered the password and it's connected successfully. Now our mobile phone is connected. So now if you have iPhone or Samsung, no need to go any application like HP Smart or anything. Just directly go to your photos or any PDF file. If I have this photo, like, okay, I have photo, this is the picture. I will click just simply on this icon over here, will scroll up. I will scroll up and I will find the option over here, print. You can see this is the print. In the print section, this printer is appeared. If your mobile phone is showing that no printer detected, you have to click on here and then you will select this option. You will select the printer. Later on, you have to just click on print and it will print for you this picture. And you can see now the power lights start flashing, and it means that there is a print order and it will print for us this picture. And just hold on, let it print. And as for information, you must know that the picture will take a more time rather than PDF document. Okay, so you have to if you will print PDF files, it will print more faster than the pictures. So I will press cancel button to reduce the time. It will not make our video long. And you can see I gave print command. This is the picture that I just gave order a while ago. So we successfully connected our smartphone with this printer and this method called wireless direct. And that's it for all. If you have any other question regarding this 516 or any other printer 515 or the smart tank models, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.